This video is for all you do-it-yourselfers. My name is Dorian. This is SEM, and today's versus battle is between Lowe's and Home Depot. We're going to do the norm. We're going to see which one's bigger based on company value, but as usual, we're going to give you their stock prices and we're going to let you know how many employees they have and everything else. So stay tuned. It should be interesting. You know what? Why don't you DY and kiss my... And first up, we have Lowe's. Lowe's is one of the largest home improvement retailers in the world, operating in just under 2,000 stores throughout the United States and Canada. The store offers products and services for home decorating, maintenance, repairs, and remodeling. Their CEO is Marvin R. Ellison. The number of employees, they have 320,000. Their headquarters is Mooresville, North Carolina. Their stock price at the time of this recording is $129.41, and their total company value is $97.6 billion. Lowe's. And next we have Home Depot. The Home Depot Inc. is one of the world's largest home improvement specialty retailers, operating in nearly 2,300 stores, offering more than 30,000 products in store and 1 million products online in the United States, Canada, and Mexico. Their CEO is Craig A. Meir. The number of employees is 415,700. Their headquarters is ATL, Atlanta, Georgia. Their stock price at the time of this recording is $241.01, and their total company value is $258.8 billion. The Home Depot. Man, this is becoming an epidemic. In another blowout, because their company value is so high, your winner is the Home Depot. Now tell me, are you a do-it-yourselfer or would you just rather pay somebody to do it right? Please let me know in the comments. And in saying that, if you are new here to SEM, please hit the subscribe button and become part of this SEM Nation. Once you become part of this nation with that bell notification, you'll know when a new video comes out. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. My name is Dorian. This is SEM. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. And you guys have a good day. I don't know what you're talking about, dude. I can fix things. You know what? How about I fix your face with my fist?